Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamer's Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a gaming headset from Redgear. The model number is Redgear Cloak gaming headset. I bought this from Amazon for about 600 Indian rupees. There is a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it. So this is the box. On top here we have the Redgear branding, and here is the model number, which is Cloak. On side we have some of the specification like 3.5 mm jack, soft ear cushion and gaming mode. Here also the same, this side. In the back we have some detailed information. So inside the box we only get the headphone itself and no other user guide or user manual, which is a good thing because no one needs a user manual for headphones. So this is the headphone itself. It's very compact, I must say, and the wear is not the braided cable. It's more like a rubber, high quality rubber cable, which is provided here. And this is the mic 3.5mm jack, and this is the headphone 3.5mm jack, and this USB for the lightning or the RGB light of this headset, which will be here. And here is a volume wheel through which you can volume up or volume down. And this is the mic here. So let us connect the headphone and see how the lightning is. So this is the RGB light we get in the both side of the headphone, and also there is a red light here in the mic. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notifications from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.